This is a question to Bhakti Charu Swami Maharaj. This thing has puzzled me since so long. What is the real meaning of Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Thakur's instruction that one should beat his mind with shoes and broom after waking and before sleeping? Does it refer to some other activity than taking the broom and shoes? Please help.
The purpose of a broom is to clean, and purpose of beating with a shoe is to humiliate. When you hit somebody with a shoe, that is considered to be the worst kind of humiliation. So the objective is that when you start your day, you humiliate your mind to such an extent that it will try to become more humble than a blade of grass. And at the end of the day, you beat it with a broom so that all the dirt that it has collected throughout the day, it can be washed off, it can be cleansed of that.
Oh,
No, and it is recorded. Everything is
Okay.
recorded. Ooh, that was good.
Wonderful.
Very gentle.
And the shoe and the broom is the holy name?
Man, tell us more.
Yes, Chandramoli Maharaj.
Is that correct?
Yeah, sure.
Add some more. That was
No, you started to do it. Please, feel free to do that.
seems like the holy name has both purposes.
Okay, so Maharaja's purport
Is that
is,
the broom and the shoe is the holy name?
yeah, it is a holy name that acts as the shoe in the morning and broom at night, meaning throughout the day you chant the Hare Krishna Maha Mantra.